If you want to know how to buy shares of ELMOS Semiconductor SE, this quick guide covers the steps for the German semiconductor firm listed on Xetra as ELG.de. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ELG.de to find the listing for ELMOS Semiconductor SE. Select the result that matches the company name and market to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart for context. Double-check the name, market, Xetra, and ticker ELG.de to confirm this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills, and you can monitor it there. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to visit the platform.